Alright, you guys, welcome to the Mastablendz Grilling and Cooking channel. My name is Trey, and today we're going to be making buffalo smoked chicken wings. Stay tuned. Alright, you guys, welcome back to the channel. So today I'm about to show you guys how I do my smoked buffalo chicken wings. I got about 4.5 pounds of chicken wings right here. I did cut them up. They came whole. I like to cut mine up. You can also cook these whole if you choose. So first thing we're going to do, we're going to go ahead and coat this with a little bit of W sauce. I got this big jug right here, so we're going to go ahead and we ain't going to use a lot. Just going to go ahead and put a little bit in there and just get the rubbing. Want to just mix this around. Just make sure every single one of these is coated. Nice and simple. Bam, just like that, we done. So next step, I'm gonna go ahead and get my cooking rack, and we're gonna place these on there. We're gonna go ahead and put the seasoning on top. All right, now that you got it on your cooking rack, we're gonna go ahead and get the seasonings. So we're gonna be using this right here, this garlic and herb seasoning from Kingsford. Also gonna be using this butcher block black pepper. And I'm gonna be using this rib rack chipotle seasoning, sugar free. All right, let's get the coating in. Nice and even. All right, once you get it coated, we're gonna go ahead and flip these bad boys over. All right, we're gonna do the same process. All right, you guys, that's what they should look like after you have them seasoned up. Go ahead and put your pellet smoker in your grill on 350. Then we're gonna go ahead and place these bad boys on once it warms up. All right, be right back. All right, go ahead and place those things skin side down. All right, go ahead and close the top. See you in 15 minutes. All right, it's been 15 minutes. Let's go ahead and flip them. All right, we're gonna close the top. We're gonna let them cook for 15 more minutes. All right, be right back. All right, you guys, it's been another 15 minutes. We're gonna go ahead and flip these one more time. After this, I'm gonna check the temps on some of these. If they're where I want them, we're gonna go ahead and take them off, dip them in that buffalo sauce, and we're gonna put them back on the smoker for another 5 minutes. All right. Alright, y'all, it's been 45 minutes. I'm gonna go ahead and take these things off. We're gonna go ahead, put them in a bowl with our buffalo sauce. I'm gonna go ahead and use this buffalo wing sauce from Sweet Baby Ray's. You can use whatever you want. Alright, be right back. Okay, so we're just gonna go ahead and place these things right back on the smoker. Alright, so we're just gonna leave them on here for about 5 minutes. See you in a minute. Alright, it's been 5 minutes. I'm gonna go ahead and pull these bad boys off this smoker. It's about to be time to eat. Alright. Alright, y'all, and just like that, we done. Smoked buffalo chicken wings made by Sweet Baby Ray's buffalo wing sauce. Man, it don't get no better than that. Look at that right there. God almighty. Man, gosh. Yep. Y'all already know what time it is. It's time to eat. So, appreciate y'all for watching. Remember to please subscribe, hit the like button, leave a comment. And hey, I'm Mastablendz. My name is Trey. I'm out.